So let's make some real blood that's scout friendly enough. So we could use this for maybe if we're doing first aid incidents and scenarios, or Halloween is just around the corner. So this is really simple 5 ingredients that you can find in your kitchen or even the scout hall kitchen if you're lucky. Right, let's dive into the garden and show you how I've made my scout friendly blood. Bit of ice and sugar, hot chocolate powder, couple of drops of red food coloring, bit of a green food coloring there, and a dash of water. Let's mix it up. You experiment, see what kind of shade you want, whether you want fresh blood, dark blood, I don't know, whatever you want. If you want scenario blood, you've been sitting around, so you want a darker one. As I say, if you've just cut yourself, you want that fresh, light reddish kind of color. But there you go. It's scout friendly. It's vegetarian friendly. Be careful if you're using it on your uniform. I wouldn't recommend it just in case. It will wash out, but you don't want any parents calling you saying, you know, Kayla, that blood stained my uniform. So don't do that. What I've done in the past is I've got some blood sample bottles. You can get it online. At reunion, I was giving away to leaders. They made their own blood and then take it away. You could do that with your Beaver Cub Scouts. Make some blood and then they take it away and show their parents. I don't know. You can also get these festival drinking pouches that look like a blood bag that you would donate blood to. You can do it that way, or what I've done is I've used Ribena and just freak the scouts out by drinking it and tell them it's your own blood. All right, that's meant to be a Halloween laugh. But you get the picture, don't you? Try and think outside the box and just have a laugh with 5 ingredients that you can find in the kitchen around the house, or if you're lucky, in the scout kitchen, in the cupboards, and make it so simple and so easy, but yet so effective. Till next time, guys. See you next time.